Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to another Arabic lesson on العربية للناشئين كتاب الأول book 1. Inshallah, in our today's lesson, we are going to continue from where we stopped on our previous exercises on the topic Al-Maktabatu, the library. So here we have an instruction that says A'id. A'id means repeat. So here in this exercise, they want us to learn the Arabic numbers from 19 to 21 in both figures and in words. So the first one we have Tis'ata Ashara, that is 19, Ishrun, 20, Wahidun wa Ishrun, that is 21. So that is that. Then the next one we have Iqra'il A'dad al-Atiyah, read the following numbers, Thumma rattibha, then arrange them. So here we have a range of numbers from 16 and 21. So we are going to arrange the following numbers. So the first one, we have Sittata Ashara, 16, then Saba'ata Ashara, 17, Thamaniyata Ashara, 18, Tis'ata Ashara, 19, Ishrun, 20, Wahidun wa Ishrun, 21. So that is that. Then the next one, we have an instruction that says, Takallam, that is speak, Ajri al-Hiwar, run the conversation, Kama fil Mithal, according to the example. So here we have An-Nadi, that is the scout, then Al-Masjid, the mosque. So with these two words, we are going to run a little dialogue. So first of all, we are going to begin by saying, Hal anta dhahibun ila nadi? Are you going to the scout? Then we'll respond by saying, La ana dhahibun ila al-masjidi. No, I am going to the mosque. So this is how we are going to be doing the exercise. In the exercise, the first one we have al-maktaba, the library, and al-hadiqa, the garden. So here we'll begin by saying, Hal anta dhahibun ila al-maktabati? Are you going to the library? Then, La ana dhahibun ila al-hadiqati. No, I am going to the garden. هل أنت ذاهب إلى المدرسة? Are you going to the school? لا أنا ذاهب إلى الملعب. No, I am going to the field. The next one, هل أنت ذاهب إلى المسجد? Are you going to the mosque? لا أنا ذاهب إلى الفصل. No, I am going to the class. So this is how we are going to complete this exercise. So the next one, here we have an instruction that says, ضع علامة صحيح. Put the sign good أمام الكلمة, in front of the word التي فيها الحرف, which contains the letter. Here we have the letter ha and sod. So we are going to watch out for these words, whichever that contains the two letters ha and sod, we'll put a good sign in front of it. So the first one, we have sabahun, that is morning. So in this one, there is ha, you put a good sign in front of it. Jinsiyatun, nationality, no. Istirahatun, that is break time or leisure time. So here you put a good sign. Al-jamraka, I think that is jamarika. Al-jamarika. Hablun, rope, yes. Tawabi'un, stamps, no. Tufahatun, apple, yes. Then the next one we have sword. Faslun, class, yes. Haqibatun, bag, no. Qissatun, story, yes. Yadhaku, he is laughing, no. Salahun, that is a person's name, yes. Maqsafun, that is a store or a canteen, yes. Al-matlubu, the needed one, no. So this is how we do this exercise. So now let's look at the next one. So here we have an instruction that says, Sil bayna al-jumlatayni, connect between the two sentences, al-mutamathilataini, that are similar. So here, the first one, we have Adhabu ila al-maktabati. I am going to the library. So here we'll check whichever sentence that is similar to this, we'll connect between the two of them. So the first one, we have Adhabu ila al-mal'ab. I am going to the field. Adhabu ila al-masjid. I am going to the mosque. Aqra'u fil maktabati. I am reading in the library. Adhabu ila al-maktabati. I am going to the library. So we will connect between these two sentences because they are similar. So number two, we have Aqra'ul qissata fil fasli. I am reading the novel in the class. أقرأ في الفصل قصة. I am reading in the class a novel. أقرأ الدرس في الفصل. I am reading the lesson in the class. أقرأ القصة في الفصل. I am reading the novel or the story in the class. أقرأ القصة في المكتبة. I am reading the story in the class. So the similar one to the first sentence here is this. أقرأ القصة في الفصل. I am reading the story in the class. So you connect between the two of them. So that is how to do that exercise. So now let's look at the last set of exercises on this lesson. And here we have sil bayn al-huruf, that is connect between the letters. So here we are going to connect between these letters to make them become words. The first one we have sabahun, that is morning. Hisabun, that is an account. Then kahilun. Kahilun, I don't know what that means. So here you connect it and write it here. So that is how to do that. The next one we have sil bayna ibarati alif. Connect between the expressions in group alif wama yunasibuha, and with the one that suits them min ibarati ba, from the expressions in the ba section. So in the alif section we have ana dhahibun, that is I am going. So the most suitable one here is ila al-masjidi, I am going to the mosque. Huwa yaqra'u fil maktabati, he is reading in the library. Hiya tashtari min al-maqsafi, she is buying from the store. هذا القلم بخمسة قروش, this pen is with 5 coins. So this is how to do this exercise. And with this, we've come to the end of the exercises on this lesson. And also, we've come to the end of our today's class. We hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next one. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.